you've been an accountant at a top accounting firm. Paano yan pagtatakpan?
Kaya nga well, kung gagawa ka ng gano'n, ang description before the show nga, sabi natin, very sloppy yung pagkagawa. Imagine the choice of name. Kahit na an ordinary thinking Filipino, may ganun bang taong pangalan? Na parang may pattern na, sabi nga, nag-joke na parang salad yung gagawin.
Fruit
May
salad,
mango,
may
may
kamote,
kamote. And,
keso.
yun, ano? Una, okay, even if you prove na this person exists, how will they prove na they actually receive it? Halimbawa, may item doon na purchase of information. Naalala ko, well, sa mga Hollywood movies or even in our movies, madidinig mo yung pag yung police gustong may malaman, bibigay ng few thousands o few
Or in the
hundreds.
military, they would.
Yeah, pero yung purchase
pay.
of information of several thousands, hindi basta ganun yun. You will have to, show a proof, no? And
At
then
saka yung walang evidence of success.
alright.
Yun
Oo.
yung
Ano yung source ng threat? Paano na-resolve yun? And then purchase of supplies. Okay, maraming mga liquidation na unexplained. Pero anong klaseng supplies yan? Plus, yung sinasabi na meron kang then you have this information and then suddenly biglang success, no? What's the connection?
Yeah.
Hindi maintindihan yan. So they have to explain. And then yung acknowledgement receipt, basically sa audit, pag acknowledgement receipt lang, at least may affidavit na, we were able to pay but we were not issued the official receipt. That's why they just acknowledge. So may real person.
So you go through that effort.
Yes, and then yung sinasabi mong may rental, may tax issue dyan eh. Pag nag-more than 10,000 ang rental, may VAT na yan. Nasaan yung resibo? Wala din, no? Di ba? So, kung tutuusin, medyo mababaw nga yung ng COA. In other words, pinakita lang yun. They did not go into the details
They
talaga.
did